Hi everyone, how are you? Myself Ankit Malik, आपका host and दोस्त from Millennium City, Gurgaon. And one of my guests today is Hemant sir. So, hi sir, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm doing good. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So, I'm also good, sir. So, a lot of things are going on in India as per the reality market, and touch wood, the market is going up and up and up.
Absolutely.
So, a lot of investors are coming nowadays asking what are the best investment options in the current scenario. People have invested in the Gurgaon, they have invested in Noida, they have invested in Goa, and some investors are also invested in Dubai of the NCR market. So, what is the another upcoming portfolio which you would like to recommend to the investor for the current scenario?
So basically, as you rightly said, people have invested in NCR, people have invested in Dubai, people have also invested in London, Canada, and Thailand. Just for a reason, they want a property, and that property should grow financially.
Right.
But however, looking at the exterior market, इतना grow हो नहीं रहा है compared to Gurgaon, because Gurgaon at present was one of the top markets of India.
And is currently also.
And is currently also, but then we've got something which is much better.
Okay.
At a very nominal ticket size, at a very nominal pricing, at a very nominal, which everyone can afford.
Because in the scenario, if the people would like to take as an investment, so they have certain questions. So there is one new smart city in Gujarat that is all across in the news. So would you like to put some light on the same, sir?
Absolutely, मैं वही आने वाला था कि in case you're looking for a decent and secured and long term as well as short term capital appreciation as well as rental yield, Gujarat Dholera. Now Gujarat Dholera is the next in thing for the next at least 10 to 15 years, क्योंकि ये जो शहर है, ये शहर गुड़गांव का 5 गुना है, दिल्ली का ऑलमोस्ट 2 से 2.5 गुना बड़ा है. 922 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स में मोदी जी का ये ड्रीम सिटी, स्मार्ट सिटी, ग्रीनफील्ड सिटी लॉन्च हुआ है, विच इज अ रेप्लिका ऑफ सिंगापुर, हांगकांग, धोलेरा.
And this is a city because we look up every city like Gurgaon, like Noida, they are already developed when the population has already been settled there. So, but in Dholera, not even a single person is there. So, what's the planning behind that thought?
So
that we take a bare map and then we put our own drawings on the same.
So इसमें क्या है, basically today Dholera is basically a futuristic approach. Why? Because आज से 25 साल पहले जिन लोगों ने गुड़गांव में 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 रुपया गज के रेट पे गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पे मिस कर दिया था. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ईयर 2000, 2005, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सबने गुड़गांव को फिनोमिनल ग्रोथ देखा है, कहाँ से कहाँ गया. आज ढोलेरा उसी स्टेज पे है वेयर प्राइसिंग स्टार्ट्स, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द लोकेशन, एनीथिंग बिटवीन 7,000 to 15,000 rupees per square yard, sorry. So
The client will record it that you have mentioned and they will take the discount accordingly. So be
हाँ,
ready.
discounts तो is in the air. Why? Because ढोलेरा में इतना काम पड़ा है.
Yes.
आज ढोलेरा में इतना काम है कि 20 साल इन्वेस्टर का भी और हमारा भी कहीं नहीं गया.
Another question, plots are always considered as the safest investment in reality industry. Is it really across Delhi NCR market, and what's the capital appreciation the investor would get in Dholera?
Okay. So if you talk about capital appreciation, let me give you a real-time example. ढोलेरा को कोई जानता नहीं था आज से साल, 2 साल, 3 साल पहले. Our Prime Minister जब वो चीफ मिनिस्टर थे गुजरात के, मिस्टर मोदी, उन्होंने स्मार्ट सिटी ढोलेरा का इनॉग्रेशन किया था, लॉन्च किया था. For some period it was on a standby phase. Post 2015, 2016 ढोलेरा में फिर काम वापस दबा के शुरू हुआ है. Today you name an industry जो आज हमारे हिंदुस्तान के पिलर है, जो भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, जो भी कंपनीज हैं, वो सारे कंपनियों ने सबसे पहले अर्ली बर्ड बन के वहाँ पे अपनी बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्रीज बना चुके हैं. अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन भी है, रेडी भी है. सो ढोलेरा हैज कम अप विद अ सिटी which is called SIR, Smart Investment Response. So that is
SIP
what
to SIR.
SIP to SIR.
Next question, sir. What are the factors of commutation that must be needed for the sustainable community in a city? Like, what are the things the people need for getting into the city, like infra?
So when we talk about infra, if you talk about Noida, we talk about Mumbai, when we talk about Gurgaon, when we talk about Bangalore, when we talk about Hong Kong, when we talk about Singapore, and lastly when we talk about Dubai, हर शहर का अपना एक यूएसपी है. एवरी शहर का मतलब सिटी. सो हर सिटी का अगर आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे, दैट इज द बैकबोन फॉर इट्स डेवलपमेंट.
Right.
Similarly, if you happen to see real time धुलेरा as of today, आज की डेट पे अगर आप धुलेरा गूगल करें या विजिट भी करके आए, you'll be amazed कि ऐसा एक शहर हिंदुस्तान में बना है जो मुंबई से अच्छा, सूरत से अच्छा, गुड़गांव से अच्छा, दिल्ली से अच्छा, नोएडा से अच्छा, यू नेम इट. जो हाईवेज हैं, दे आर 110 to 150 meters long. Every 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer, you will see water treatment plants over there. And ये plant छोटे-छोटे plant नहीं है, बड़ी-बड़ी buildings हैं. वहाँ because it's a coastal area, okay, वहाँ पे you've got Gulf of Khambat, so it's a coastal area, it's a port area basically. So I don't know if you are aware about the history of Dholera, लेकिन almost 5,000 साल पहले Dholera was the port area for India, major port area of India, when we had Harappa civilization.
Oh, such a very old history.
Yeah. So even if you go visit Dholera right now, you will see a place called Museum of Lotel.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे आपको हड़प्पा civilization के थोड़े
Sculptures.
you'll find over there.
Okay.
Eventually that place is getting converted into a 3D, 5D museum.
Okay.
That's also under process.
Okay. My next question: why government has entirely all the focus on this development for Dholera? Already they have the other cities for getting high taxation, which they are getting paid for, like Gurgaon.
So Gurgaon, as we correctly spoke, Dholera is a developing area, and हमेशा थंब रूल यही कहता है कि हम अगर एक डेवलपिंग एरिया में पैसे लगाते हैं तो हमारे पैसे भी डेवलप होते हैं, दे ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाई. सो ढोलेरा इज अ डेवलपिंग एरिया. वाई पीपल आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन दुबई? दुबई इज अ डेवलपिंग एरिया. इट्स नॉट येट डेवलप्ड, but the kind of technology, the kind of infrastructure, the kind of people they are moving into Dubai has made Dubai. Dubai earlier was known for its oil. Now it is 100% known for tourism. Similarly, Dholera is known for a lot of big manufacturers, a lot of big factories, a lot of big industries. And if you go through the recent update, airport बन चुका है, रेलवे लाइंस बन चुकी हैं, मोनोरेल जो धुलेरा से अहमदाबाद को कनेक्ट करेगा. देन देयर इज एन एक्सप्रेसवे लाइक बॉम्बे में वर्ली लिंक रोड है जो कनेक्ट करता है, पानी के ऊपर फ्लाईओवर बना हुआ है. उसी तरीके से एक लिंक रोड बन रहा है विच इज फ्रॉम धुलेरा टू सूरत, which is going to connect the entire Gujarat.
Okay. Can you name some industries planning or had given a queue in quotation for Dhola industrial land purchase?
So the most prominent name that we all know is Ratan Tata, Jamshedji Tata, the most respected person, I would say, not only in India but across the globe.
Across the globe, right?
So he's got his presence in United Kingdoms, he's got his presence in US, he's got his presence in India majorly.
The name is sufficient.
The name is sufficient. So Tata has invested
91,000 crores.
91,000 crores, and whenever you happen to go to Dholera, आप जाके देखेंगे वहाँ पे already उनकी factories, उनकी industries, there are thousands of workers already working.
Construction also by, I think, L&T.
Yeah, construction is by L&T.
Yeah.
So Tata is one name. Then the second and most prominent is Renew Power. Third, Maruti को सब जानते हैं. Fourth, जो कल का update है, Hero is also coming up over there. And Torrent we all know. So all these companies, they need no introduction. और इनके जो plants बन रहे हैं वो benchmark ही जो है काफी बड़े बड़े प्लांट्स बन रहे हैं वहाँ पे।
Next level. Even
Next
not even a single person is there, and still the Tata has invested 92,000 crores. So that's a benchmark.
So having said that, जब आपके पास 10 लाख से 15 लाख jobs opportunity होंगी in a new city, in a fresh city, which is spread across 922 square kilometers. So आप सोचे घर की कितनी requirement है?
So how much Dholera is bigger as compared to Gurgaon?
So it is almost 4 times Fenton's,
Okay.
bigger than Gurgaon. So हेक्टर किलोमीटर तो देखना पड़ेगा कितना है, बट जो हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि गुड़गांव आज जो बसा है एयरपोर्ट की वजह से बसा है,
Yes.
गुड़गांव जो बसा है इज बिकॉज ऑफ मारुति, बिकॉज ऑफ हीरो मोटर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ जेनपैक्ट, एंड 2000 बाद के बाद और आज का गुड़गांव वी ऑल सी वेयर वी आर, जो प्लॉट्स 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 रुपए के रेट पे थे इन द ईयर 2004, 2005. Today in 2025, hardly 20 years, the same plots are trading at 3 lakh, 3.5 lakh per square yard.
More than 10 times.
More than a lot of times.
What are the advantages of creating this artificial man-made river in Dholera, and does it has any advantage of strategic location near sea?
So having said two things in the past, एक तो it is a port area, so जब बारिशें होती हैं तो शहर डूबने लगता है. आज गुड़गांव हम सब जानते हैं कि आज हम गाड़ी लेके निकले या मोटर बोट लेके निकले, सो वो स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग जो है धुलेरा की वो पहले से हुई हुई है, विच मीन्स WTP, वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट जो है वो आप पूरे हाईवे पे देखेंगे, पूरे शहर पे देखेंगे, हर 1.5 से 2 किलोमीटर पे WTP इज देयर. इट्स अ पोर्ट एरिया, it's a low coastal area, so that arrangement of infrastructure is there, which has already been taken care of. That is sure.
And like we see in Vietnam, the artificial river outside the big market, like Venice also. So this attracts.
So yes, getting back to that, it attracts a lot of positivity, because अगर ये man-made lake है तो पहली बात तो जो पानी है वो recycle हो रहा है. You have zero wastage of water, which is very important, and that lake will also suffice as tourism part. So a lot of restaurants are coming up, Japanese restaurants are coming up, Korean restaurants have taken up spaces over there.
Big tourist hub also.
It's going to be a tourist hub, and it's a beautiful place. Side में cycle track है, फिर उसके बाद umbrellas and huts बने हुए हैं, फिर वहाँ lake है. So शाम के टाइम में वो माहौल एक create करना चाहते हैं.
Absolutely right. So what's the future of this India's largest and biggest solar panel setup in Dholera? Is it a step towards the neat and clean environment, and also for the green building concept?
So basically, this new concept of solar panel, which is being done by a lot of power companies, एक तो you require a lot of water body, and Dholera is surrounded by water body. Point number one, water is not getting wasted; it is not getting toxic. It has been utilized and recycled. Secondly, the land over there, the soil over there is very fertile for industrial areas and residential areas. Thirdly, Dholera has to be a strategic location, which is basically between the hub of Surat, Baroda, Rajkot, Ahmedabad, and जो बीच का ये sea link बना रहे हैं मोदी जी, that has also been outsourced to the people. If you've seen Dubai में a new city has been made on the waters. So उस तरीके से ये पूरा पानी का उन्हीं लोगों को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया जा रहा है सीलिंग बनाने.
Which are the expertise in that?
Yeah.
Basically.
So all this development is going to happen lately, and you'll see a lot of movement happening in Dholera, not only in terms of price. अगर price की बात करूँ, last year 2024, Dholera plots were trading something between 4,000 to 8,000 rupees per square yard. Today it is trading something between 7,000 to 22,000 rupees per square yard. It depends where you are, where your project is. Location. So real estate is all about location.
Whether you are golf course road or
Absolutely.
Dwarka Expressway.
And the beauty about Dholera and a few projects like ours is we are ready to move. We have all the legal documents in place, NOC in place. We have the biggest cricket stadium, international standard cricket stadium, जो कि तैयार है हमारे प्लॉट के पास. हमारा क्लब हाउस रेडी है जहाँ पे आप अभी आज की डेट में स्विमिंग करने जा सकते हैं. वी हैव अ आयुर्वेदा सेंटर एंड गेस्ट हाउस रेडी. So all our guests who are going from Delhi NCR, Punjab region and other region, we have full arrangement for you. खाना भी अच्छा है, पीना भी अच्छा है, रहना भी अच्छा है.
एंड ऑक्सीजन लेवल तो
और ऑक्सीजन लेवल और एकदम कोई टॉक्सिक हवा नहीं है.
फ्रेश एंड क्लीन एनवायरनमेंट.
एवरीथिंग.
सबसे बड़ी बात जो नेचर को हमेशा हम सेंटर में रखते हैं, जैसे अगर आप एप्पल का कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस देखें या अमेजॉन जंगल की अगर हम बात करें, सो every big MNC also spends a good on lot on the nature. So this is, I think, India's first city which the government is first planned as a nature centric city.
So that is there, and if you see all the organizations which have landed in Dhulera today, they all are ISO and BLS certified organization.
Right.
They also work on Six Sigma and they have a lot of क्वालिटी को ऊपर एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर काफी फोकस है.
Water saving techniques.
Right. So they're not
energy
only,
saving
they're not
techniques.
working only on the production and manufacturing part. They are also working on the environment.
Yeah.
They are looking at health hazards. They are looking at the future. So that's the reason when I said Tata itself is a big brand. और वो जहाँ है आँख बंद करके वहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. So under all these organizations, because I was previously part of these organizations, there's a term which is CESD, right? So under that category, it is mandate कि हमें इतना कुछ करना है nature के लिए.
Right. Every investor want the capital appreciation, want to multiply their money manifolds. Why not Jhajjar or Met City or Goa or Navi Mumbai? And why Dhulera is above all in terms of capital appreciation as per your point of view?
Very good question, Ankit. So basically, if you look at the stats, pan India, even in Dubai, हर region का एक growth factor होता है और pyramid का एक top होता है. If you talk about Gurgaon market, तो Gurgaon market is almost on the pyramid. If you talk about capital appreciation, तो हर चीज का ना life होता है.
Yeah.
That Gurgaon is almost covered, Delhi has been covered, Noida is covered, Mumbai is covered, Bangalore is covered. If now we talk about places and region in India which is doing healthy business, healthy investment plans, probably we can look at Goa, we can look some portion in Bangalore, and that will depends whom you are going with. We can also consider northern regions like Tri-City, but वहाँ वो growth factor नहीं मिलेगा. धुलेरा गुजरात, there is a cause, there is a reason कि वहाँ पैसा क्यों बढ़ेगा. आज अगर आप एक प्लॉट लेते हैं हमसे, लेट्स अज्यूम कि 10 लाख रुपए का मैं आपको एक रेडी टू मूव प्लॉट देता हूँ जिसमें आप हाथ के हाथ अगर चाहें तो कंस्ट्रक्शन कर सकते हो. वो डिपेंड करता है
Of 100 square yard.
ऑफ 100 स्क्वायर यार्ड. डिपेंड करता है व्हाट इज योर मोडस ऑपरेंडी. आपको रेंट कमाना है या कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन. अगर रेंट कमाना है तो मैं आपको एक वेग आइडिया देता हूँ. जो भी 10 लाख 12 लाख जॉब्स वहाँ पे इस समय चल रही हैं. At present, there are somewhere around 800 to 900 people who are working in Dhulera on a daily basis. सुबह कंपनी की बस उनको पिक करती है कॉमन लोकेशन से, ऑफिस फैक्ट्रीज लाती है, फिर ड्रॉप करती है. Now this morning huddle of coming from house or from Ahmedabad or any other location
Much traveling.
is around 80, 85, 90 kilometers. वहाँ इस समय ढुलेरा में इमीडिएट रिक्वायरमेंट है कि वहाँ पे रूम्स हो, फैमिलीज के साथ लोग आ सके, 1 RK हो, 1 BHK हो, 2 BHK हो. एंड रेंटल वैल्यू अगर मैं बात करूँ धुलेरा में इस समय 1 RK टाइप्स जो है दैट इज समवेयर अराउंड 6,000 7,000.
Okay.
If you talk about 1 BHK, it is around 10,000 to 11,000 rupees. 2 BHK, it is around 14,000 rupees.
So studio are much needed also.
So studios are needed because a lot of people they come from various part of
guest
India.
rooms, guest houses.
Right. So they are without their families, or if they are with their family, they are with their better house. बच्चों के साथ नहीं आ रहे. So अगर वे बच्चों के साथ भी आ रहे हैं तो वहाँ 2 BHK की भी कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में.
Sure.
Just last point. Having said that, अगर हम एक ROI की बात करते हैं तो आपका 10 लाख रुपए का प्लॉट है. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट आपकी मैक्सिमम 30 से 32 लाख रुपए, 35 लाख मान लीजिए. 40-45 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट आपकी रहेगी. अगर मैं 100 गज में 8 रूम भी बनाता हूँ एंड पर रूम मैं अगर 6,000 7,000 रुपये में भी डालता हूँ तो 45 लाख रुपए की इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको 50 से 55 लाख रुपए का रिटर्न देता है, which is pretty high.
Yeah.
Almost 15% ROI as of today.
Yeah. Last but not the least, that we have heard that you have organized an event also for the investors in the Millennium City, Gurugram.
Right.
So just want to highlight what's in that event for the Indian and NRI and for HNN investors, and what are the timings for that event?
So basically, since we wanted to enter the NCR market aggressively,
And just a little brief also, okay, this is the map of Dholera. If you would
Right.
like to highlight
Right.
any major
So-
things of the
so
Dholera map
the first
also.
point which you were asking about this event, so we will be continuing with events. We will be continuing with a lot of offers for our end customers, for our broker partners, and ये जो इवेंट है जो फर्स्ट टाइम अभी हम अग्रेसिवली कर रहे हैं, दिस इज हैपनिंग ऑन 15th, 16th and 17th of August in Gurgaon sector 56
At Florence Club.
at Florence Club.
And the timing would be
This would be morning 11 o'clock till evening 6 o'clock.
morning to evening, Florence Club, 15th, 16th and 17th of August,
Right.
and from 11 till the late
So
evening.
here we have special offers for our end users as well as for our channels.
Also a detailed explanation that why the people must invest in Dholera, along with the briefing of the entire map,
So-
along with the areas. So
Right. So Dholera mein at present we have around 300 acres of land parcel, out of which almost 50% is ready to move, where we've got all the blacktop of the roads done, water, bijli, pani, everything is in place, clubhouse is in place, stadium is in place. So basically all you need to do is do your payment, get your registration done. So having said that, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर मोदी ने इतना सहूलियत कर दिया है ढोलेरा को लेके कि इफ़ यू वांट टू गो यू गो, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू गो, सिटिंग एट विचएवर सिटी यू आर इन, आप ऑनलाइन पोर्टल पे रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं, आपकी एक्नॉलेजमेंट और आपकी कॉपीज वगैरह आपके घर पहुंच जाएंगी.
So government
Everything.
portal.
So everything has become smooth. So there is no hanky panky or waiting for ये वो वगैरह.
And most importantly, you are here in the safe hands with the persons who already have the REL and everything in the Gurgaon reality market. The main thing is not to invest there with XYZ thing, but to invest safely in that.
So it is very important in
Yeah.
Dholera if you're investing. Point number one, you need to see all the legal documents of whichever developer you're going for. There are more than 100 developers who have just mushroomed up in Dholera, but out of 100, almost 95 do not have any legal documents ready. With us, we have all our documents ready. We have Second thing is, they would be launching, and we are ready to move. So जो चीज़ आपको हाथ में मिल रही है is a much secured thing compared to सपने कि आपको साल 2 साल में ये मिलेगा, आप अभी इतना पेमेंट करें.
And दूसरा, with working and discussing the things with an expertise, will have a lot of decades of experience in this industry, can simplify your journey to a much easier.
Absolutely. So here what we can do together with all of us is, in case you have an intention, अगर आपका intention है कि मुझे invest करना है, मेरा budget 5 लाख है, 10 लाख है, 15 लाख है, 20 लाख है, we are open to 5-10 crores also, because we have industrial lands also, we have commercial lands also, we have land in activation zone also in SIR, we have land across airport also. So it depends what kind of investment are you looking for. And are you looking for early exit, or you can sustain and you have the holding power for at least 2 to 3 years. So that is the kind of ROI multipliers.
So invest safely, invest with the right persons who can take you in a long term of the journey and with a long term of capital appreciation. It was very amazing talking with you about the Dholera, giving you a quite briefing about what the investors are needed for this industry, for the safe investment of their hard-earned money. We will definitely meet again and share much more knowledge. Before that, if you'd like to join to know more about the Dholera, please join us at the Florence Club at 15th, 16th and 17th August, morning 11 to late evening.
Not to forget, surprise gift in all bookings awaits you, and booking starts only at 21,000 rupees.
The booking amount is only 21,000.
Absolutely.
So thank you so very much, Hemant sir, for giving your valuable time for
Most
this
welcome,
conversation.
most welcome.
And we'll meet you shortly in the another video.
Yes.
Till then, like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And please put the queries on the below mentioned number for more updates. Thank you so very much. Have a great day.